If you need to recover your Rocket Money account but don't have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Rocket Money app. Open the Rocket Money app on your mobile device or go to the Rocket Money website. Look for the login section to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Use your phone number. Enter the phone number associated with your Rocket Money account. This will allow you to receive a verification code via SMS to help verify your identity. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Check your phone for the SMS containing the verification code. Enter this code into the app or website to confirm your identity and proceed with the recovery. Step 5. Set a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. By following these steps, you can quickly recover your Rocket Money account without needing access to your email. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Rocket Money's customer support for further assistance.